welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside to dry a little. I am going to go back now and I'm going to fill in the empty spaces here. I have 3 wooden discs here that I cut from a birch branch. And what I've done is stagger them on top of each other. And I drilled into the disc before I put the screw in to attach it here. And the same thing here. Now, without support at the back, it would tip, right? So I have used paint stirrer, these sticks that you get at the paint store, and I have cut a piece which I painted it and I drilled into it so that it would not crack. And then I put the screw in to attach it to the back here. So now when I put it down like this, it sits. Further to that, I have drilled holes in the disc. You can see the holes here and here and here. Okay, so to get our Christmas trees on here, we will be using dowels. Now, I have painted the dowels in a black paint just to coordinate with the black on the Christmas trees. And I have actually staggered the length of each one of these dowels. There we go. And we are done. This is my miniature Christmas treescape, my friends.